Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris, and today I'm here to do some styling with you guys. I've got this amazing wig with me. This is Sage in shaded amber. So I'm gonna do something cool. I'm gonna do something for the holidays, and I'm gonna do something that's achievable for you at home. So I'm gonna do a half up, half down, because I love this texture. So I'm gonna leave some of this texture down, but get some of the rest of the hair out of the way. So just to start with, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna turn Miss Sage around. Now, you see these bangs and these face framing layers here? I really like these. Take a section of hair. Okay, so just gonna go around the first half for the half up, half down. I'm going to braid this one section. Okay, I'm going to leave the ends out about so much, so we've got a bit of texture towards those ends. So you see, got that nice clear band. And I'm just going to close the ends off with the band. I'm going to do exactly the same on the next side. Open these braids, so you make the braid wider, look, by just opening it up like this. Make that braid wider. See how that almost starts looking like a bit of a heart shape? So, and then going to take the braid over like so. So that should hold that in position like so. And then again, what you're going to do is you're going to test it out. See, does it look better up top or does it look better underneath? Up top or underneath? So a bit of both, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange and just arrange this a little bit like so. So the bottom one becomes a little bit lower and we get this kind of effect. So you see how that's starting to come together now? It's starting to look really cool. Just a little bit of protective holding spray. We do need to get rid of the ends and hide those ends. So you see where that band is there? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the original band to hide for the plait, and then I grip through that band and then tuck that in. Look at that for a half up, half down. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Looks great. Fabulous detail. But like I did say, this is a holiday style, so we're going to make it a little bit more holiday-ish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bobby pins on attached to the bells. That way, look, I can actually have my own individual bobby pin with a festive bell on it. So here she is, Sage. Listen to that. So you know that she's on the way. So Sage is the half up, half down today. I left these gorgeous bangs out there, which I thought they look amazing. Love this texture. Couple of big chunky braids. Added these lovely festive holiday bells in there, which I think just look and sound amazing. Now, I'm gonna do one thing here, okay? I have with me the Revive Liquid Enhancement. I'm just gonna over the front and those back. Just use some of that Revive because I just want a little bit more of a polished finish on these ends at the front here, look. So just get that. See how that's just giving me a bit more polish at that front? Very little, because we don't want to go away from that fabulous texture of sages anyway. So I'm just coming in just with this little dressing brush. Very, very easy, simple little dressing brush. Just finishing the ends a little bit. But remember, we want the ends not overdone. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. There she is. There we have it. Thank you for tuning in today. Today, I've been doing a little bit of holiday styling. Hope you get on well with it. And if you do any of that at home, please send in your pictures. We always love your feedback. But for now, from me, Alexander, and all of us here at René of Paris, happy holidays. See you next time. Bye-bye.